10 things that learners pay attention to and how to use them in e-learning. Even more than other type of education, e-learning must struggle to attract learners' attention. The internet is full of distractions. The adult learners are both busier and more free to indulge in distractions. Helping students to pay attention is the primary concern of training professionals. So here are some optimal methods to win the attention game. And they are: the first one, problem solving. Adult learners are almost always taking an e-learning course for a specific purpose rather than just for fun. Focus on giving them what they want, answers to their real-world problems. You should be able to put yourself in the learner's position and respond to the question, what's in it for me? If you truly want to grab their attention, you are going to need to have answers to this question especially. After all, people will pay much more attention to aspects they consider relevant to their own lives and past experiences. Second, comparisons. Studies reveals the brain pays more attention to what is new or different. It is natural for people to get curious about something new, foreign, weird, unpredictable, or different. When e-learning content is surprising or unexpected, ignoring it becomes impossible. To get your learners to pay attention for a long time, you need to keep giving them new things to think about. But obviously, you don't want to stay too far from the topic. Making a comparison, simile, or metaphor helps focus attention. Plus, if you refer to a familiar aspect of the learner's life, they may find it easier to grasp your point. Third one, visuals. A picture, as they say, is worth 1,000 words. It's a Chinese proverb. People are naturally inclined to pay attention to images because they are easier to digest and fastest to understand than larger blocks of text. Use an image to draw learners in and set the tone of the lesson. Then use other visuals to add meaning to your words. Both showing and telling your message double the impact. Fourth one, questions. Questions invite someone to actively participate in learning rather than just passive absorb data. Ask questions encourages people to think and reflect about what they are learning, which helps them not only retaining more information but also learn strategies to use what they have learned. Plus, it feels good to solve a problem on your own. Emotions. Emotionally charged stimuli captures people's attention immediately. On top of that, the brain remembers an emotional experience better than anything else. In e-learning, you can make this work for you by encouraging emotional response. Many of these tools such as compelling stories, videos, images, and visually engaging screens can evoke emotions. Try to connect emotionally with learners and they will learn more and better. Create shocking, impressive, or surprising moments that grabs your learners' attention right away. Sixth one, stories. Storytelling is the natural human brain pattern. Stories are better remembered, better understood, and simply more listened to than other form of communication. If you craft your lesson into a simple narrative, people will be more likely to listen to the whole thing and much more likely to remember it later. Seventh, contrast. Are there any elements here that are in contrast to things that comes before? The human brain asks this question on a regular basis. It's hardwired to look for contrast as if its survival depend on it. Truth is the brain will always pay more attention to things in contrast to other things. Boredom most of the time is produced by statists. So keep things moving to encourage learning. There is no need to be too obvious about it. Subtle changes of font can be more effective than switching all color schemes. The goal isn't necessarily to be consciously noticed, but rather to focus the brain's natural priorities. Controversy. There is nothing like a small shock to get people's attention, so start off your lesson with a fact, statistics, or statement that will startle readers. There is no need to get too extreme, but leading with the most shocking information is a good way to grab attention. Ninth one, brevity. People, especially adult learners, are busy and they are appreciate it if you make your information as easy as possible to skim. With so much information out there, skimming helps decide whether to put in the time to read the whole thing. What's more, learners prefer shorter, bit-sized pieces of information because they cannot sustain attention on a task for an extended period without pause. That's because of the ebb and flow of our energy. A study, in fact, revealed that the average attention span online is about 8 seconds. And the last one, list. Numbered list create sequence of events, offer a mini table of contents, and set an upfront expectations that adult learners find extremely attractive. Plus, list helps break down information into bit-sized chunks. They do as much to keep you organized as to keep the reader interested. In short, lists make it easier for readers to consume most of your content. They discourage distraction and help readers make sense of your content quickly, provide a visual break for your learners, and by combining these strategies, and you will quickly see a dramatic increase in your e-learning effectiveness. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. Thank you.